Expressway is an action thriller which, of course, they are the stars, Alvin, Anson, and Aljura Brenica. Dalawa silang hitman on a mission, on a 24-hour mission to kill syndicate members who has been stealing from the syndicate.
Before I did this film, may konting background na ako on sa mga pagiging isang killer. Well, research ako to the extent of interviewing a legit killer kung paano siya nasanay. Kasi wala naman pinanganak kagad na ganun kagad yung kaya nilang gawin. So there's always a reason behind it and why are they doing it. Research talaga ako, inalam ko yung way of thinking niya.
This is the only film that nagtitake ako na wala ako mismo no? Kasi it's a pickup truck and of course there can be a space pwede akong pumunta sa likuran or what, pero I trust them so much because they really study their characters. Thus they're so into it, they're very passionate about the project, and we had they gave me time and we had several readings to perfect at least get to the point na komportable na ako sa gagawin nila. Sabi ko, ang hinahanap ko ngayon as a filmmaker are the things that I don't know. Kumbaga, I want to be surprised. So, yung takes nila, hindi ko actually nire-review. Ang sasabihin lang nila after the take, because nagda-drive si Alvin talaga sa expressway. Lahat ng eksena eh. So sila ang nag-a-action ng sarili at nagka-cut. So pagdating ng sasakyan, sinabi nila, Direk, masaya na kami pero gusto pa namin ng isa. O sige, di ba? Swing away, go do your thing. So pagdating nila na nag-a-appear sila, nag-give me 5 sila at masayang-masaya sila, okay na sa akin yan. I just check the audio kung na-record. At first time ko napanood yung takes nila sa sasakyan, sa editing na. So, natutuwa ako mag-edit ngayon kasi that's the first time na nakikita ko yung performances nila.
Trabaho lang to.
Anong itsura ni Tatang bago siya namatay?
Merry Christmas, sabi ni Tatang.
Very personal kasi sa akin itong movie kasi direct to offer this film to the late Rudy Fernandez.
I was supposed to do it with the boy, with Rudy Fernandez. Yeah. Ang natuloy yung kay Robin kasi second film ko alam niyo. Ang second film ko is Robin Padilla, Blackout eh. So before that, we're supposed to make Expressway with the late Rudy Fernandez. So masaya ako na napunta kay Alvin. Go.
Yeah, because I'm very close to Kuya The Boy. I've done a lot of films with him, so we now for namin